glyphosate with a natural option. Today we're going to be applying TerraCyte Pro as a granular to control some of the moss in our lawns. It's a safe way to kill the moss and improve health of the lawn. As you can see, we have a lot of moss buildup. So we're going to apply it today and we're going to water it in. It's very important since this we're going to be putting it down as a granular that we water it in really well after we apply it. But the first thing we do is put it down with our spreader, and it's at 6 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So I'll put my PPE on and show you how it's done. For the sake of this video, we're just going to show you in this little section here, so then I can grab the hose and water it in. It says on the label about 1/10 of an inch of water is what we need to really activate the product. So right here is my line where I stopped applying the TerraCyte Pro, and here on the left you can see it's starting to turn, getting some good dye back here, and then you can see over here this is untreated moss. So fairly green, healthy, and then again over here you can see from this direction that it's really starting to die out. So we're having good control right away. It's important to note too that you should mow the lawn prior to applying the TerraCyte Pro. You'll get a lot better coverage if the grass blades are shorter. Thanks for watching our first video of applying TerraCyte Pro granular.